You are about to do a guided sleep hypnosis with the help of the Starviking Hypnotherapy Clinic. Use this opportunity to make sure that you are comfortable and ready to start. Do not listen to this recording in an environment where you are not able to fully relax. Do not drive or operate any heavy machinery. While listening to this recording, it is best to be seated or lying down in a way that leaves your neck supported and keeps your hands and feet uncrossed. If you are seated, make sure that your feet are stable on the floor. Today we are going to work together to start your journey towards attaining the positive change that you desire. Each person is unique, and so each result is unique. And now, let us begin. I would like you to get comfortable. Make sure to loosen any restrictive clothing before we begin. And together, we are going to take 3 slow, deep breaths. Breathe in with me now. Hold, 2, 3, and release your breath with a sigh, letting go of all tension that you have carried with you today. That's very good. And now breathe in a second time with me. Breathing in, 2, 3, and release your breath with a sigh, letting go of all tension that you've carried. Letting go of tension in your shoulders now and in your upper chest. And breathing in a third time with me now. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and letting go of your breath with a sigh once again. Totally relaxed. That's so good. And now breathing normally in a way that feels comfortable and natural for you. We are going to settle into a pattern of breathing in and releasing tension out. Breathing in and releasing tension out. More and more with every breath out. The voice in your mind says you are getting more and more relaxed. With each breath out, the voice in your mind says you are getting more and more relaxed. The more you breathe, the more relaxed you become. Every movement of your ribs just takes you deeper and deeper down into a state of relaxed consciousness. Every time your lungs inflate and deflate, your tension levels lower more and more, until you are in a state of complete relaxation, deep asleep. We're going to go even deeper and deeper relaxed, letting go of everything holding you back, everything that keeps you from relaxing. Just letting it go now. Letting it flow away deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed with every breath, more relaxed. I want you to become aware of any sounds in the room, any sounds that you may hear in the room that you're currently in. Maybe you would hear the sound of murmuring voices. Perhaps you would hear the sound of footsteps on the ground. The creaking of a cupboard door, perhaps the hum of an air conditioner, or the electrical buzz of a fridge, or maybe even the bubbles of a fish tank. Take your focus outside of this room, bringing your full awareness to any sounds you may hear outside. Perhaps you would hear the sounds of crickets in the grass, maybe tree frogs, perhaps the rumble of traffic, the soft rustle of wind in the leaves, the distant muffled sounds of voices, any sounds you may be aware of. And now quickly bring your focus back to my voice, focusing only on my voice, and any sound that you hear only serves to take you deeper and deeper into a state of deep relaxation. The louder the sound, the more you drift into a deep and peaceful state of relaxed consciousness. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to think. You don't have to listen. You don't have to do anything particularly. Just allow yourself to enjoy this lovely, gentle, peaceful feeling. You're going to allow that same peaceful, relaxed state to enter your body, imagining a gentle, soothing energy, lovely and warm, right at the very top of your head. I would like you now to relax the very top of your head. Feel that letting go, that warm, calm, peaceful feeling, and feel that warm, soothing energy moving slowly now down the sides and back of your head, over your forehead, over your ears, over the back of your neck, and down your cheeks, so very relaxed, deep asleep. Feel the relaxation of those little muscles all around your eyes. Focus your attention now on those very tiny muscles, the ones that control your eyelids. And in this very moment, you are going to feel those eyes totally letting go. They are so totally relaxed now. It feels as if your eyes are glued together, and they are so very, very relaxed. You couldn't open them if you tried, and you could try to open them, and you could be surprised at the result. That's perfect. Your eyes are now completely relaxed. And now allow that relaxation to move. That deep relaxation, warm and secure, moving down from your face to your jaw now. Feeling the small muscles of your jaw relaxing more and more. Letting go of stress and worry. And feel the bigger muscles of the jaw release and rest. Feel the warm energy moving down your neck and throat. Feel it going into your shoulder muscles, releasing tense muscles. And feel it going into your arms and into your hands, your left arm, your left bicep, your left elbow, your left forearm, your left wrist and hand, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, your whole left arm relaxed. And now your right arm, your right bicep, your right elbow, your right forearm, your right wrist and hand, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, your whole right arm, so that your arms are totally relaxed. And allow yourself to enjoy that feeling of total relaxation. Feel it move down your body now, through your upper back and chest, stomach and middle back, your lower back, your hips and buttocks, your whole torso relaxed all the way down into your legs now. Your left leg, your left thigh, your left knee, your left calf, your left ankle and foot, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, your whole left leg relaxed. Now your right leg, your right thigh, your right knee, your right calf, your right ankle and foot, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, your whole right leg, so that you are totally relaxed, so very relaxed, deep asleep. And I wonder if you can imagine a big old house somewhere with a fence and a big garden, and maybe there are trees. It's the sort of house that happy families grew up in, like the ones you've seen on screen, with generations of people living and laughing. There have been weddings and celebrations, birthday parties and anniversaries, and many happy times inside that house. There is a staircase, and you can find yourself at the top of that staircase. There is a sturdy handrail there, so that you cannot ever fall. And I don't know if the staircase is wood, or marble, or carpet. It doesn't matter. And you can imagine yourself beginning to go down those steps, because at the bottom there is a door, and behind that door is a wonderful thing for you. And you can begin to go down those steps now, and with every step you get more relaxed and deeper into trance. And so 10, going down, deeper, relaxed, and 9, deeper still, and 8, more and more, deeper and deeper relaxed, and 7, down and down, and 6, way, way down. And feel yourself sinking into the place you are resting, wonderfully supported as if you are lying on a fleecy cloud, just allowing yourself to drift down. And 5, deeper and deeper, and 4, down and down, and 3, and 2. And there is 1 step left. When you go off that 1 step, there is just 0. And you will go through the center of that 0, through a void of secure nothingness, safe and warm and comfortable. Your mind is completely relaxed now, and the only thing of importance is the sound of my voice. Now in front of you there is an elevator door. The door opens and a mentor is waiting for you. Someone you really trust. They may be a loved one, past or still here, a family member, or even a pet. They are waiting for you now inside the elevator. Step inside, and as you do, the doors close safely behind you, knowing you are completely safe, comfortable, and so very, very relaxed. You feel the elevator going up, and you feel as if you are being drawn up by a shaft of light. You feel a strong pull upwards, and as you do, you feel lighter and lighter still, as if you have no weight at all, light as a feather, being drawn up by a pocket of air, so safe, so free, so light. You arrive at the top of a sacred mountain. This is your sacred mountain, where no one else can go. There is the most lush garden you have ever seen, and it makes you happy to know that it is all yours. In your garden now, you will see a divine waterfall flowing into a pond. I invite you now to step into this pond, with a flotation device there to hold you and cradle you in the water if you ever need it. The water is crystal clear, waist deep, and the perfect temperature for you. And there are smooth, healing crystal stones to walk on. And as you wade through that pond, seeing the dappled sunlight rippling on the water, they are healing your mind, your body and soul with every step that you take. I invite you now to step underneath your own divine waterfall. And as you do, you realize that it is connected to divine consciousness, allowing this water to wash over you and feeling it washing away anything that no longer serves you in the here and now present moment. All of the old things from the past that you're ready to let go of, letting it all go down the river of love. See it all floating away far into the distance, handing it all over to the universal good. Letting go. It is safe to let it all go. I now bless the past and release it with love. Now wading back into the pond, allowing your body to just float in the water, floating in energetic healing water. Feel it flowing into your spirit, relaxing your body completely, safe, supported, loved and secure. As you gently float there, you remember that in life you cannot control what happens in front of you, that those things are beyond your control. But what you do control is how you respond to those things. You can show strength. You can show love. You can show focus and resilience in the face of anxiety. You can support yourself on your journey with words of self-affirmation and self-forgiveness if you stumble, and with the formation of good habits. It is time to step out of the pond now, and your mentor has placed a beautiful white fluffy robe there on the grass just for you, and they can help you to put it on. It's the perfect size and so warm from the sun. You feel so safe and secure in this robe. And I'm saying to you now that this robe will stay on you for as long as you need it to, even after you've awoken, and even when you are carrying on with your everyday life. That robe is wrapped around you in deep protection, safety and love, supporting you, surrounding you, and holding you when you need it to. And now we're going to walk over the lovely lush grass and sit down on a bench. looking at all of the beautiful plants in the garden, feeling so safe and snug inside that robe. And there's such an excitement because you know that you are about to go on an amazing journey, a journey of healing, a journey of self-correction, a journey of self-empowerment. And when you wake from this hypnosis, you are going to feel so good, so proud of yourself. You're going to feel all of the benefits. You're going to remember all of the parts that were good for you. You're going to feel wonderful when you wake. But for now, you're just going to relax on that bench, just going even deeper and deeper into a state of deep relaxation while you wait for the journey to start. And it's going to start right now. We're going to imagine that you are able to see and feel pure golden energy. You can see it now just in front of you there. It's golden, it glows and it moves very lazily. And you know that everywhere that golden light touches you, it brings calm, it brings relaxation. And you're going to reach out now because it's not hot, it's just a little warm. You're going to take some and hold it in the palm of your hand. And then you're going to rub your hands together as if it's made of soap. And you'll see it covering your hands, so golden and warm and calm and relaxing. And now you're going to massage that energy into your cheeks, into your jaw. Feel it seeping through your skin into the sore, tired, overworked muscles. The muscles that hurt so much from all the grinding that happens. And as you massage that energy, that golden warm energy into the muscles of your face, you can even put it over your forehead, massage it into your temples and the base of your neck and your upper shoulders, just rubbing it in, and then really working your way along your jaw, relaxing each muscle. And when you're done, there'll be no more of the golden energy left on your hands because it is all absorbed into the muscles of your face, leaving in the face only those muscle movements needed for smiling, laughing, communicating, expressing yourself, and gently removing all of those mechanisms that make you grind your teeth when you sleep or when you focus. All those mechanisms are just stopping now. You don't need to grind your teeth anymore. You don't need to do that anymore. When you sleep at night, your jaw will just relax in a way that is good for you. You will not rub your teeth together, damaging your teeth. You will not clench the muscles of your jaw all night. It will be such a relief to not have jaw pain, to not have sore teeth, to not have tension headaches. Just letting it all go now, letting go all that need of clenching your jaw, just letting it go. And now we're going to go one step further, and we're going to speak to the issues that cause you to grind your teeth, the subconscious worries that cause your jaw to tense. And we're going to speak directly to the subconscious mind now, just listening to my voice and only my voice. as I speak directly to the subconscious mind, bypassing all other cognitive thought. Anxiety cannot be solved by clenching the jaw. Fear and worry cannot be absolved by clenching the jaw. From now on, instead of clenching the jaw and grinding the teeth, you will instead find more healthy ways to relieve anxiety, pressure, stress, fear and worry and sadness. That may be in the form of doing exercise or speaking with friends, or reading a book or going for a walk or having a bath. You will find other ways, positive ways, good ways to relieve that stress. Because right now we are building a barricade around jaw clenching. It is no longer an option. When those muscles start to clench at night when you sleep, they will immediately relax as quick as they can, because they are no longer needed to help with anxiety. So just feeling that muscle around the jaw area, just relaxing that little bit more. And as you take a deep breath in, you're going to breathe in calm and peace and relaxed muscles, and you're going to breathe out on a sigh, letting go of all the stresses that in the past have caused you to clench your jaw. And this is an ongoing thing. It may not work perfectly just after one listen to this hypnosis. So you may need to listen to it a few times until you are happy with the outcome. And you will know when that moment is. You are going to love yourself more. You are going to make time for yourself. You are going to face the things that make you stressed. Give them attention and deal with them. You are going to look after yourself. You are going to speak to people that you can trust. And if needed, you will see someone as a therapist to get help with the anxieties and stresses that may be causing the bruxism or teeth grinding. What you need to take away with you today is that you are in control. And as your subconscious accepts that, the body will stop those processes that end in jaw clenching. Because we have put a barricade around the mechanism of jaw clenching. It is no longer accessible. The jaw is completely relaxed at night, totally soft and supple, absolutely relaxed. It is almost time for us to wake, not now, but in a little while. And in this last few moments, I am going to speak directly to your subconscious mind, your powerful, alert, and listening subconscious mind. And what I say to you will go deep into your subconscious and become embedded there to work towards your own good every single day from this day on. Love is safe. I am safe. I now bless the past and release it with love. I will remember for now and always that I am safe. I am strong. I am worthy. I am enough. I remember now that I am able to handle all things that I may face with grace, strength, and understanding. And your subconscious says to you, Anxiety, fear, and worry are under my control, and I can release them and let them sink down, deeper and deeper until they are deep in the ground beneath my feet, going out and away into the universe, knowing that I have formed good habits today. And these suggestions are now deeply embedded in your subconscious mind, and they will grow stronger and stronger day by day. They will grow stronger by the hour, stronger by the minute, stronger by the second every single day. And as you gently walk along your path to come home, you come to a beautiful mist. This mist is the color of love, and as you step into it, you breathe it into every single cell, nerve, organ, and muscle, replacing what you just let go of in the waterfall with love. Breathing in the peaceful, cleansing, replenishing mist into every single cell, muscle, and organ of your brain, body, mind, and spirit. And now you can just get a sense of floating gently back into the room, feeling so relaxed and energized and ready for change, ready for a more relaxed state of mind, ready to be a loving, encouraging supporter to your friends and family, waking more and more now, becoming aware of your surroundings again and of the material beneath you, feeling so very calm and relaxed. There is no rush. You are doing the best you can, and that's enough. In a moment, I'm going to count to 3, and when I do, you will be wide awake, energized, and looking forward to the remainder of your day with a newer and more self-supportive outlook. But if it is nighttime and you are meant to sleep until it is time to wake up, after I count down to 3, you will be able to remove your headphones. You will be able to set up your mobile device as you usually do at nighttime, and you will be able to fall back into a deep and peaceful sleep until it is time to wake up. You will wake up refreshed and remembering that you have learned to activate positive change in your life. But before we do, closing all doors we may have opened today, doors that we open to facilitate healing, and those that are no longer serving you, closing them tight one by one, preparing to come back now and beginning the countdown. 1, feeling that natural muscle tone returning through your body, bringing these new memories with you, feeling the natural muscle tone returning up through your feet into your legs and thighs. 2, feeling your energy returning to your stomach, back and chest, up through your throat and neck, shoulders and arms, your face and head. 3, back in the room now, fully aware, taking a deep breath. Move your hands and feet a little, gently now awake, have a stretch, open your eyes when you're ready to do so. Thank you for using this self-guided sleep hypnosis. I hope that is of some benefit to you. Please don't forget to let me know how you go on your journey, and if there's any way that I can help you at all, please visit my website and contact me through there. I'll see you soon.